Hi, I'm Luke, a medical student at Elsevier University. I use clinicalkey Student to access a range of Elsevier's medical content, including textbooks, images, videos, and quick access summaries. In the past, I would search the internet to find information for my coursework. But now, whenever I need to do research for an assignment, I simply use clinicalkey Student to search for high-quality medical information. My searches find relevant content from a range of different textbooks, giving me confidence that I'm reading the latest information, which is from a reliable source and relevant to my course. clinicalkey Student also gives me access to videos, ranging from practical demonstrations to instructional clinical examination examples, which are helpful for developing my clinical skills. The clinicalkey Student bookshelf allows me to save and download the textbooks that are most relevant for my course. To add a book to my bookshelf, I simply search by title, open the book, and add it to my bookshelf. Once I have the specific books that I want to read, I can launch my bookshelf and begin to customize and personalize my notes. The menu on the left allows me to access the table of contents. Once I have opened a chapter, I can highlight key information inside texts and add notes which will appear in my notebook. All my notes and highlights can be shared with other students, enabling us to collaborate on assignments and help each other prepare well for exams. I can create my own flashcards to help me memorize content and prepare for exams. These can be sorted into decks. I can add text to the front and back of each card. The formatting of my bookshelf can be customized for easier reading. And if I would like to export a citation, I can do so in different formats. I can study on the go and without internet access, using the clinicalkey Student bookshelf app on my phone, tablet, or computer. The text-to-speak function within the app makes it easy for me to listen and learn on the go. clinicalkey Student helps me learn with tools tailored to assess my medical knowledge. On my clinicalkey Student homepage, I can see that I have an assignment due. As I answer each question, I get instant feedback with study mode turned on. This helps me understand why each answer is right or wrong. I can also choose not sure when selecting my answer. I can later build quizzes based on the questions I'm not as confident in. If I want to export questions, I can copy and paste them as needed. As I finish my quiz, I have access to great insights about my performance. I can see my score and choose to take the test again. Next, I want to look at the topics I didn't do so well at. By clicking on the search icon next to a topic, I get instant, directed guidance on what to do next, with content recommendations to help me focus my learning on my weaknesses. I can see there are books, images, and videos relating to that topic. I can browse sections of textbooks or read a quick access summary of the topic, including definitions and other information. I want to create a quiz to see how well I am grasping the course content at the moment and to stay on top of any gaps in my knowledge. When creating my quiz, I can choose a question bank to work from. I can choose study mode so I can see each answer's study notes as I go. I can choose from a range of filters such as questions that I haven't seen yet, questions that I got wrong, or questions where I chose not sure. I can also choose to see questions at different difficulty levels. Now I'm ready to take my quiz. As I rate my confidence in each answer, I have a clearer understanding of areas that I may be weak in. In my Performance tab, I can see where areas for improvement lie, even if I may not be aware of it yet. I can retake incorrect questions at varying time intervals to measure and validate my improvement.